What is going on, guys? Welcome to another video. I'm really excited for this one. If you guys are new around here, this is Project F80 where I do upgrades to my F80 M3. It's not currently in here right now, but we'll go ahead and pull it in a little bit. Please consider subscribing if you guys like what you see, and drop a like. So today we're gonna be doing carbon fiber side skirts on the F80 M3. I've done a lot of carbon upgrades that I haven't documented just because I didn't have time and I had left my GoPro at my parents', which live on like the other side of California, so pretty far. But I have my good GoPro back now, so I wanted to go ahead and start uploading more videos. I also did Titan 7 wheels on my last video. I just put them on. They look super good. If you guys haven't seen that, and go ahead and check that out. But I'll give you guys another look today. And if you guys have any questions, just drop a comment and I'll answer them. Let's get into this video. Alright guys, so here they are. Pretty basic, nothing crazy. It actually comes with pre-cut holes already, which is really nice. And they have these like little rubber, I guess, washers or stoppers, probably just so you don't scratch up the bottom of your side skirt when you put it in place. So it came with washers, with the holes, these washers. I don't know if it mounts up directly to like factory holes on the side skirt, probably not, but it also came with the screws required to put this in. So I'll go ahead and pull in the M3 now, and then we'll jack it up and get these installed. Should be pretty straightforward, to be honest, but they look good. They weren't very expensive, but I think they'll be perfect. Hopefully they look good once they're on there. So alright guys, that was it right there. It took me all of about 5 to 10 minutes maybe with jacking and everything. Super easy. There's a screw like every couple inches, so this thing is not going anywhere. Fitment is good. Looks really good so far. I've seen it lower, but yeah, the fitment is really good. Not super aggressive. I know they make some side skirts for this car that like stick out really far. They look good on some setups if you have like a aggressive front lip and everything, but I'm going more for like that OEM plus look. Nothing crazy. So really easy. Show you guys. I don't know if you guys will be able to see like some of the screws. So there's no pre-drilled holes on the bottom of our OEM side skirts, but the side skirts, the carbon side skirts came with the holes already and with those rubber washers on top. So it was really easy to see where to screw it. So there's a screw every couple of inches. So definitely not going anywhere. Yeah, you just have to figure out which side is which, but once you put it up, you can see easily which side goes where. So it looks really good. We'll go ahead and bring the car down. All right, guys, I let the car down now. Show you guys this side. It looks really good with the front lip. It just flows really smoothly. The thickness of the front lip and the side skirt is pretty close, so it just looks like they're meant to go together, which is exactly what I wanted. It sticks out, I think, just enough where you don't have to worry about someone stepping on it, but you can definitely see that it's there. So overall, really happy so far. I can't wait to see the other side and pull the car out. Alright guys, it looks really good. I'm really happy with it. It's probably hard for you guys to see just because I have a black floor. So like I said, I'll go ahead and pull this out and then we'll take a closer look at it. But overall, it looks really good. The install super easy. It'd help if you had someone else to like kind of line it up for you while you drill it in, but I just used jack stands to hold the car up, and then a jack to hold the side skirt up, and then just lined it up and went one by one. Super easy. This thing not going anywhere. Just don't hit any curves or anything with it, because that'll definitely destroy it, but really easy install. All right guys, here it is outside. Give you guys a better look at what it looks like. I think these side skirts go just perfect with the front lip that I went with. It looks really clean. I'm super happy with it. Remind you guys, I've only had this car for like 6 weeks maybe, and it was completely stock, and just looking at it how it is now, I'm completely in love. I also got the windows tinted. I didn't tell you guys. The front's not tinted, even though it looks like it, just because the rest are. But I went with I think it was a 25-35. It's like this pretty low. It's like second to lowest. And just evenly all 5 the side windows and the rear window all the same. So I think it looks really good how it is right now with the carbon roof, the carbon mirrors, the front lid, the side skirts, the blank off deletes, the reflector deletes, the black grills, the black badges, these wheels. I absolutely love these wheels. With the 305, it just looks super meaty now, and they're functional because I have so much more traction now. The tune I have on the car just feels so much more better and aggressive now and faster because I have traction. Before I couldn't get traction till like 3rd gear, and so now I have traction like half of first, second, all of second, with the exhaust tips. And then here's a better look at the CS trunk lip. I really like this lip. I had ordered the M Performance lip, kind of like the one the M4s come with. I had ordered the M4 trunk lip, but a high kick. But what happened was it was a high kick, not in regards as it went up, as it was more in regards as it went outwards, which I really didn't like. So it came like straight back, and I thought it looked pretty goofy. So luckily the vendor that I bought it from was nice enough to swapped it out for this one, which she also sold, and this one really perfect. I think it looks really good. It's a nice little kick up, not too crazy. I just can't wait to get a diffuser for this car, and that'll pretty much be it for the outside. To be honest, I can't think of much else to do. I already have the black badges. The taillights I'm perfectly fine with. I know I can upgrade, but I'm honestly perfectly fine with these taillights. And as far as the headlights, also I have no issues with these. I know people upgrade to the LCI version, but I think these look great, honestly. The only thing I don't like is this chrome section right here, because nothing else is chrome on the car, so that chrome section really stands out. But I actually have the carbon eyelids coming. It's just a little carbon piece that sits right here. I would have just got gloss ones, to be honest, so it matches with the grill, but I couldn't find any, so whatever, I ordered the carbon ones. They should actually be here today. I don't know if I'll be getting those in time to put it in today's video, but if not, they'll be on the next video, and that'll completely change the car. But I just love how it sits right now. So perfect. I can take hard turns and drive aggressively and like no rubbing whatsoever. Again, 275 to 305 on the rear. Like, that is the most aggressive wheels I've ever had on any car. This car has 285s all around. So this is just, I absolutely love this car. I feel bad for my SF because I haven't shown it much love. I do have a brand new bumper for it that I need to drop off to get rewrapped because I had this crack on me here at the track. I went off the course and my front lip got caught and it tore the bumper. The lip was fine, but the bumper got torn. And then as far as that, I just need to rewrap the rear. I sold my diffuser. I did fix this, it's popped out, but I sold my diffuser, and when I wrapped the car I didn't remove the diffuser to wrap it, so I need to get the rear bumper rewrapped just so it looks clean. And then I'll be driving this like every day to work. This will be like my daily until I decide to sell it. Aside from that, it's completely stock. I sold everything. All right guys, so that's actually going to be it for today's video. Super easy install. If you guys have any questions about any of the parts that I put on the car or where I got them from, feel free to leave me a comment, or if you guys have any other suggestions on what I could do, just leave me a comment, and I'm curious to see what you guys think of the car at this stage.